See me. See me, smile for the camera, please. Thank you. I need that shot. Thank you.
Guys, this is the market. You buy, you don't vaccinate, you drop in the hives.
I've used that vaccine. The thing is, I could go with that full dose vaccine. Those ones that are dying,
so what we shall do, from behind it is clear. You can see inside. Yeah.
So those things are for exercise?
Yes, those are called pouches for exercise.
These ones are not fast.
I wanted to ask something. What is it?
You can come.
And when you go inside there,
Like when you're buying this chicken, you buy both female and male.
no, these ones they sex from the brooder and separate males from female. Okay, you may buy 1,000 and get 2 males. That is sexing hair. Just hair. But they come without males.
They come without male. Now, how do you make them to start producing eggs?
Eggs are always in every animal, even in human beings.
Wow!
Even in
now you see me always thought chicken in order for it to produce eggs, it has to be mounted and
no.
These local ones they lay unfertilized eggs.
Even
local ones can lay
eggs. Yes. Only that the eggs cannot be hatched. You cannot make it sit on it and hatch. But this they lay eggs. Yes, please.
How old are these ones?
These ones I think are getting to a year. Depends on management, but mostly they begin to lay at 19 weeks. From hatching. 19 weeks later you see an egg. Yes.
19 weeks.
Yes, that is very good management, good feeds. Sorry.
Once it has grown, it will take 19 weeks.
Yes.
To start laying.
From hatching.
Auntie.
Yes. 19 weeks later, you see an egg. Yes. But if you don't feed them well, they can delay up to 6 months.
Auntie, now why I failed to engage into this business was, someone told me you have to feed them up to 6 months. That's when you start.
No.
Then I was like, it's impossible. At least I cannot engage.
Up to 6 months is not bad. But average 4 months. 4.5 months they are the begin to learn.
Okay.
Yes. But no, the 6 months depends on management. Most people sell their birds on the way. Like this one, are both when they have started laying now. From someone. Even the second lot was bought from someone. Now we hear there is somebody who is also just waiting for Joy to come back to go and buy his birds. Because if you don't plan well, you run short of money to feed them and you sell them. This one needs preparation, for sure. You need to be very careful, prepare very well to start up a poultry project. Because they will eat your money for like 5 months without laying. But once they begin to lay, they sustain themselves and they begin. Chamotongi is a problem that can be solved. They eat their eggs when they lack calcium in their body. Yes. So the only solution is when you see them started eating their eggs, you increase on the amount of calcium content in the feed. Calcium is normally got from leg shells and lime. So you just increase the ratio of calcium in the feed so that they have enough for them to lay. Then they stop eating eggs.
How about the eggshells?
Yeah, the eggshells can also be used, but you can't go and buy eggshells from wherever. The issue of biosecurity comes. You don't know where the eggs came from, whether the birds are free of disease or not. So you preferably use eggshells and lime, which are in the market. Yes.
those like shells we used to see in Ginger, and the kids get them for free.
Yes.
So you buy them.
Yes. When I was not yet here, I was working in a farm somewhere. I used to go to Kampala to buy those shells for 500 shillings a kilo.
What?
Yes.
You have them at home. Yeah? Just near the lake.
Yes. You could even see an egg there. You saw one there. Yeah, they can lay them. Because some are chased from the nest.
So that water, how do you control it? Is it just through?
The drink is automatic.
It's automatic.
Yeah.
Okay. The more they drink,
Yeah. It keeps them that coming like that. When it comes and it is a little bit heavier, it stops. Yeah. When it has reduced again, it comes like that. So it is automatic. It's automated. This is the second group that they were talking about.
They're also laying, huh?
They're also laying. They're all laying. That's why you see them.
This one's how many?
This one's 300.
300. So averagely, how many eggs per day?
Per day average is 8 trays.
8 trays.
Yeah.
That is how many?
this one.
Because 300 birds
8 times-
raise 10 trays. This
8
one
times
average is
30.
8.
That is 240. About 250 eggs per day.
Later, you were supposed to change very frequently after every 2 months. Yes. But now, this one is delayed because that is a big thing to do. So he's coming back. Immediately he comes, then you change. You can smell ammonia. There is a lot of ammonia now coming out of the house. That brings also infections. Yes. So immediately he comes, we are going to change.
To change
The later, the bedding on the cloth. Yes.
So what do you use for the bedding?
Wood shavings, but you can now see something like wood shavings. Yes. Yes.
Then how about the feeding?
Feeding. Feeding, we normally feed them twice a day.
They refill
This ones again, they're looking better than those ones.
This variety here is different from that one. It's different from the other one. You can look at them.
This one is different.
Those ones were brought late. They are younger, but they look older than these ones. But these ones are bigger and smarter, but they don't lay it very well. So characteristics of a good layer is it is not always very big.
But this one is big now.
This one's-
They broil.
Yes, these ones are very big. Very good, very big. Their hair, their feathers are intact, but they're not laying very well like those.
So they miss days.
These
Yes,
ones are good for meat.
yes.
So how much is each?
This one. They all
Off layers.
off layers.
Like the weight is there.
Now, if you want to buy these ones, we shall weigh.
Hey, you sell the kilos.
Yes.
That is big economical.
Figurable. But their laying capacity is not very good compared to that. Yes. Figurable. If you want to buy, we weigh. And we charge you something which is relative to what you're
So
going
a
to
kilo
get.
is how much?
A kilo of breasts chicken
So
we
you-
sell for 12,000.
You sell the dress or not?
We know what we you can get. If we weighed it like this, we know what you can get. Like if it is 1.7 kilos live, you can dress it to 1.2 kilos.
So what
So-
is the average weight of, according to the experience?
No, we are not selling these ones.
You've not yet sold them.
We are selling broilers only. But broilers are overnight.